Hi, I'm Brandy, this is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Witch's Roots box for January 2021. So excited, it smells very good. Let's see what herb we have. Alright, so we have the Stem of Health, interesting. The Symbol of Show. Of Shu, longevity and well-being, very cool. Lemon balm, nice. I grew a whole bunch of lemon balm last year. So, let's see here. We have Healing Exhale. We've got a Chonky bracelet. Looks like what, chevron amethyst maybe? Two little chevrons. Oh my goodness, it's kind of a little hectic in here. Here of course is our lemon balm. And we have a little green candle. Let's see what it looks like. A little green candle. Okay. We've got a little medallion. Looks like an ankh. An ankh on one side. And then healing on the other with a chain. Very nice. And then we have some very aromatic oil here. Or it's no, it's an oil. It's Divine Mend Ritual Body Oil. I can smell it. It's really good. It's definitely got a lemon scent. We have a little dropper here. Let's read about it. We truly look forward to the coming months of this bright and blessed half of the year. We fully embrace this time to rejuvenate, prepare, and open ourselves to receive blessings, knowing that there will always be joyful surprises just beyond our field of view. Just as if the moon was waxing, we focus on intentions of growth, abundance, prosperity, and health. These intentions are more prevalent now, more than ever before, as we navigate through the unknown path before us. In this vibrant and bright collection, we surround ourselves with helpful and inspiring energy so that we may step into the opportunities of growth we have so readily prepared ourselves for. The magical items in this box are as follow. Lemon balm. Known for its long and illustrious history and magical workings, lemon balm has been an essential herb to many types of healers and practitioners, derived from the Greek word melissa, translated as the honeybee. Lemon balm was once planted by the beekeepers of the temples of Artemis to convince bees to stay satisfied within close proximity. In addition to its sacred connection with Diana and invoking the goddess, it was commonly used throughout Europe as a dispeller of negative emotions and melancholy, almost always bound to the creative and inspiring minds of artists and writers alike. Lemon balm herbal grimoire artwork. These are beautiful. Healing coin charm pendant by Christopher Penczak. Tumbled amethyst bracelet. Can bring balance into the emotional body and assist during rituals of healing and renewal. Healing Exhale ritual incense sticks. They're very fragrant. They smell great. Bright Blessings mini spell candle. We have hand rolled this Bright Blessings mini spell candle with the intention of promoting prosperity and abundance in your current and coming rituals, projects, or meditations. As you allow the flame to dance before you, take the time to resonate with the unique position you find yourself in and the brilliant opportunities that stand ahead. Divine Mend Ritual Body Oil and Dropper. We've created this ritual body oil with the intention of bringing you closer to divine energy that we associate with rituals, our rituals with each day. We have enchanted this magical anointing oil with lavender, lemon, sandalwood, and bergamot oil. In addition, we have included lemon balm herb as well. Inside your oil, you'll find a Lumarian quartz, and it also has a little bit of Cosmic Connection magical oil from their personal cabinet of witchery. Symbol of Shu, Book of Shadows reference page. This beautiful symbol of Shu reference artwork holds wonderful information regarding the path of happiness and induction of longevity within our lives, placed within this ancient Chinese philosophy. Place within your Book of Shadow for reference while crafting and curating rituals. I absolutely love this box. It always has good information. I'm looking for a wonderful creative way to store these because I have a ton at this point. And I just love them. They're so beautiful. And they're going to be definitely part of a permanent Book of Shadows. I'm just trying to think of in what capacity. And that's fun, but also challenging, right? So, love this box. Highly recommend it to you. I'm going to leave the information in the description below. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will talk to you very soon.